I'm Noah, and today I'm going to be talking about credit repair. A lot of people don't know where to start or what the process even looks like, so in this video, I'll be breaking it all down for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of how credit repair works and what you need to do to get started. First, what is a credit score? Your credit score is a measure of your creditworthiness, and it's used by lenders to determine the risk of lending you money. A higher credit score means you're a more trustworthy borrower, and you're more likely to be approved for loans and credit cards. The FICO credit score ranges from 300 to 850, with higher scores indicating lower credit risk to banks and lenders. So, how can you improve your credit score? First, obtain a copy of your credit report from one of the three major credit reporting agencies, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. These reports contain a record of your credit history, including your payment history, current debts, and other factors that affect your credit score. Second, review your report carefully to ensure all the information is accurate. If you find errors, you can dispute them with the credit reporting agency. If you need help, speak to a professional credit counselor. You can also hire a credit repair company to dispute the errors on your credit reports for you. Another important aspect of repairing your credit is paying down your debt. High levels of debt can have a negative impact on your credit score. Important to focus on paying off debts, especially high-interest credit cards. Another key factor in credit repair is paying your bills on time. Late payments can have a major impact on your credit score. Make sure to make payments on time, every time. Be mindful of opening new lines of credit. Applying for too much credit in a short period can have a negative impact on your credit score. So it's best to only apply for credit when necessary. Finally, credit mix, which refers to the different types of credit you have, for example, mortgages, credit cards, auto loans, etc. And that's it for Credit Repair 101. Remember, improving your credit score takes time and effort. To summarize and remember, obtain a copy of your credit reports from all three major bureaus. Review it carefully for errors. Pay down debt. Pay bills on time. And be mindful of new credit applications. Thank you for watching, and press the subscribe button for more videos.